Hi guys, so I thought that you guys must be bored after watching a lot of theoretical videos on YouTube, on Facebook ads, Meta ads. So what I thought is let me just show you one of the live demonstration how exactly I do market research, competition research, and how to analyze the kind of trends that are going into the market right now. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So as you can see on my screen, there are a few names. So like these are the people they popped up on my profile like every time I open Instagram. So let's do one thing. Let's try and see one by one, like what kind of ads these guys are running, since how long, do they have any winners? If they have any winners, since how long like that winner is running. Okay. So first, we have marketing.io. You might have start seeing her.
मैं आपकी कॉलेज डिग्री या फिर करेंट जॉब को क्वेश्चन
Okay, so she started running ads on 21st July. See, so that means they made some changes like today. And here we can see their platform. They for some ads they are using Facebook and Instagram. For some ads they are using like other platforms apart from Audience Network. And yeah, so they made a lot of changes today on 21st June. You can see CC, and I think more than 10 ads have been updated today, then 29, 28. So recently, like on everyday basis, they are like doing a lot of updates. So let's check their oldest ad kind of that we call as winner. So it's 9th June. So around 1.5 months. So we have two ads, and then after that, 14 June. So 1.5 months testing between like switching between platforms, might be testing on multiple audiences. And yeah, so this is what we are observing here. Let's move on to next, so that we have to like wrap this video up. Sanidhya Bajwa, let's go to this and just check. Sanidhya Babeja Bajwa. I don't know. So they are running 54 ads. So basically, just to get an estimate, like just divide this by 1,000. Like most of the people like run ads for like at least 1,000 rupees, and some people are running ads for scale. So this would be around 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees ka budget around per day. And they have made last changes on 10 days back, and since then they have not made any changes. I think their media buyer is on leave, and their last updated ad was winner is on 19th June. Same case again, 1.5 months ads. And these guys are not testing, these guys are also testing on platforms, switching between platforms. So seems like fighting for quality. And yeah, next, Ask Avi Arya. So let's go to Ask Avi Arya. Let's see how many ads he's running. 15 ads. Okay, and last update was 3-4 days back. And his winner ad is running since 21st May, June, July, almost 2 months. We got um, some good winners, and the winners are image ads. Okay, and these guys are also switching between platform to platform, so multiple testing is going on with, I guess, everybody. Next is digital Dhairya. So digital Dhairya, here we go. So digital Dhairya is only running 8 ads. Last update was made on 20th July, then 6th July. Switching between platforms, same kind of trend that we are observing with everybody, like I hope you guys are also observing. Okay, and his last winner is on 9th June. Same 1.5 months, 2 months between that. People are testing between like uh, audiences, people are testing out between platforms. And let's move on to next. We have Swastik Nandan Kumar. Swastik is running 59 ads, good budget, good daily budget. And Last update was made on 3 4 days back. Lot of, I guess all are video ads, some are video image ads also. And winners we have on 12th June. Again, same kind of trend. So this is what I was looking for. This is what I was looking for, and like kind of same trend like what we are seeing. So OPBP challenge by UAbility. So OPBP challenge. So UAbility used to work at big budgets. See, we have 78 ads running. It's kind of a huge budget. And when I used to work at UAbility, we used to spend close to around 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees a day. And similar what I can see here. And again, here we can see the same trend. Changes were made today. Platforms testing out on different platforms. Most of the people are not using audience network. Okay, that is one thing I am observing. And let's see what, where is the last ad? It was on 15th June. Okay, again that same 1.5 2 months ka winners that we are observing. So not everybody is getting like good winners. Earlier we used to see like we do not touch ads for like 6 months and everything used to like be profitable. But let's go for one of the giant, somebody who is like since the start of marketing in India. 47 results we have, and we have 16th July we made changes last week. And platforms, I think we are not testing here on audience like platforms. Let's go for the oldest start. Oh, we have like the oldest running winner is from 18 June 2024. It's been more than a year. We have like two ads, and these are image ads. Okay, and before after that we have one from October, another from November, then we have December. Good winners like every single month, like Binge Marketing is getting some good winners. And this could be a media buying problem also, but if these guys are not tracking, but I hope these guys are tracking, and this is like a very good results. Like we have like a lifetime winners, so definitely everybody should have. Earlier, sometimes when I used to work with big budgets, I used to like forget some campaigns, and they used to like keep on running, but not for like more than like a month or so. Okay, so we found like a golden winner here, and these what we call as golden winners, like ads that are that works for more than 6 months. Okay, so this is running for an year, so we can call them like golden winners. Now another giant from the industry, we have Siddharth Rajsekar. I hope like all the people that I am showing you, these people are also coming to your profile. Like not everybody, but few definitely. So Siddharth is running around 34 ads, and last changes was made recently, switching between platforms. Again, same kind of trend like everybody is following that that we are seeing. So it's a mixture of video ads and image ads. What I can see here, equal amount of image and video ads that I'm seeing here. Okay, and for Siddharth, last change was made on 26th May. 26th May, June, and July, 2 months. Okay, so yeah. So based on all the ads that we have seen right now, like we just observe a trend. Like a lot of people are, I think, fighting for quality. They are doing like heavily testing. They are heavily like doing creative testing, and very actively like killing the ads also. So this kind of work can be only done like when you have proper tracking. So if you are tracking like what kind of ads are giving you profits and what kind of ads are not giving you profit, not just relying on like Facebook ad dashboard. Okay. So we see a like similar trend, and definitely like they are like only Binge Marketing. We saw like where we have like golden winners running ads running from past 1 year. So in similar way, let me just show you like one or two ads from the clients that we are working with. Because this video is already has been like it has been longer. So don't waste, let me just not waste time and just show you like two people that we are working with right now. So one is Eriok. We recently onboarded them and we have six results started. Last changes was made on like 16 July. And similarly, like same platform wise, we are just fighting for quality. The like better quality we are getting on Instagram and Facebook, and avoiding all other platforms. And last ad, last winner was started on 29th June. So till then, since we started, these ads are live. And another another client that we are working with. So we have 15 ads live here. Last changes was made on like last week. Similar platforms are Facebook and Instagram. And last change was updated on 6th March. Okay, so from 6th March we have like three winners. So it's the results that we have seen from the market like trend. So we are seeing like, okay, we are still doing a better job than what exactly people are doing. And so far on this account we have spent close to around 28 lakhs rupees has been spent on this account, and these are the results for that. Okay, so this is how you guys do like all your market research, trend research, what kind of people in the industry are doing, and how you have to take inspiration whether you are doing good or not. And that was a live demonstration. And in next videos I will like try to give you like some funnel breakdowns and how exactly like agencies works. So till then, stay tuned and goodbye.